Hello, this is the UIS Career Development Center, and today we will be providing an introduction to Career Connect powered by Handshake. Now, UIS Career Connect, for those of you who are unfamiliar with it, is our online career management system designed as the central place for students to find jobs and internships on and off campus. The easiest way to get to UIS Career Connect via Handshake is from the UIS Career Development Center homepage. You can go to uis.edu/career, and then you will end up at the Career Development Center page on the UIS website. You will then scroll down and then click on the blue icon that says Log into Career Connect here. You will then click on the link that says UIS student/employee login, and your login will be your net ID, which is your UIS email address but without the @uis.edu, and your password you may have set up. Once you get to the next page, you will then scroll down on the Handshake website and then click on the link that says University of Illinois Springfield Career Center. And now you have ended up at the UIS Career Connect homepage powered by Handshake. Now you have access to schedule an appointment at the Career Center, utilize career development resources, and when a survey is live, it is for you to answer questions from one of our offices.